Hi, welcome to this second video on basic introduction to HTML. In this video, what I'm going to show you how to do is how to change the background color of your page, how to insert a picture, and how to insert a hyperlink. Okay, so to start off with, we're going to look at how to change the background color. Now, you may have already noticed that there is an opening and a closing tag for body, and this is the main body of your page. And it's going to be very similar to like what we've done here with the paragraph, where it says P style, okay, for paragraph style. What I'm going to do is I'm going to come up to this first body tag, and I'm going to type the word style, start typing the word style, and you'll see that I get offered this style option. I'm going to double click on that there, and then within these speech marks I'm going to start to type the word background, and you should see from the options that appear I can now select this one here that says background color. Double click on that and then select the word color, and then from there I can then choose the color that I wish for my website to be. So I'm just going to click on that one there, and if I click refresh, as you can see there, that has now changed the background color of my website. The next thing that I'm going to do is I'm going to add an image in. So the way we do this is slightly different to the instructions we're putting so far, in so much as it doesn't have a closing tag in the same way, an opening closing tag. It's all encapsulated within one tag. So what I do is I put img, which is short for image, and then I put src, which is short for source, and you'll see that this little chain with the word src appears next to it. So I'm going to double click on that, and then it's going to ask me to browse. If I click on that link there, and this is going to take me to my document, so I can just quickly scroll down through this, and let's say that I decide to go with that picture there of a slider, and then I'm simply going to just finish that off. So I refresh that, and there we go. There you can see that it has added in that rather large picture of a slider. The final thing that I'm going to do, and I'll put this one above my image to make it easier to view for you all, is going to look at something called a hyperlink. Now, a hyperlink is a link to another internet page, another web page. In this case, I'm going to make it an external hyperlink, one that takes me to a different site entirely. So what I would do there is I'm going to start off with my opening bracket, and I'm going to put A, and then I'm going to put href. Okay, and you see it already starts to pop up there, and that stands for hyperlink reference. Okay, and within the speech marks, what's going to happen then is, see, I've got this option here to browse. So if it was to another page that I've created, I could select that page, but in this instance it's going to be to an external website. So what I'm going to do here is I'm going to type the address in of http://www.bbc.co.uk. okay, and then I'm going to close that tag, and then what I do now is I type what I want my link to be. So I might put something like click here to go to the BBC, and then I'll close that with a closing tag. So my opening tag says A, and then H reference BBC, http www.bbc.co.uk, and then it says click here to go to the BBC, and then closes with /A. So I refresh that, and you'll see that it's now popped up on my site here. Now, to preview if this works or not, what I need to do is I need to preview it. So at the top of your screen, you'll see something that looks like a little globe. I need to click on the globe and select to preview. I'm going to preview this in Chrome. It will ask me to save it. If you haven't saved it the first time, you'll need to save it the first time. I'm just updating this. I'll click on save, and there we go. It's got my website. However, there we go. There's my my link. I simply click on that link there, and you can see there that it has taken me to the BBC News website.